Hi Vivek, today we
Hi.
are at a franchise show. As we all know that this is Asia's biggest franchise event held in Delhi today at Yashobhoomi. So we are presenting over here our brand Regrob. So I would like to do this conversation with you because I want that our viewers will see this and they will understand little bit about us, little bit about Regrob, so that like what we are presenting over here, they should get an idea, right? So that's why we are making this video. So Vivek, as we have elaborated certain points over here, we have elaborated plug and play business model. So can you please explain me what is plug and play business model?
Yes, Agar, we are very excited to be here because the people from all over India will come from Bangalore, Hyderabad, not only Delhi NCR, it is one of the biggest show. And if we talk about the Regrob is a tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and we have a 14 years of legacy. It is not our day one, and we have already 100 plus profitable, successful franchisee all over India. So let's come to the plug and play business model. So I'll give you an example. When you go to co-working space, so you have to just open your laptop and start working. So that kind of model we have built, where a person who's coming first time entrepreneur.
We are excited to tell to our audience like what would be the unique part in Regrob business model. What you think? I have certain other thoughts. Maybe you have certain other thoughts. So let's discuss on that.
So most of the thing, everybody will say that we will give the training. Training is always the part, but I can bet on out of 200 stall, we are the only player who give lead support to our client.
Absolutely.
So that is our the biggest USP. And other than the technology we provide, now let's talk about how we make money actually. So we have a tie-up with the developers, 400 developers, which is not an easy, all over India. And we list their properties online. When we sell their properties, we get a brokerage out of that. Then we get a commission from the home loan. So that is our revenue model. And we work on very high margin business.
Great. So Vivek, when we promote something, we write a lot of things. Over here we have written, we have our presence in 20 plus cities, we have 100 plus profitable franchise. So definitely, I personally think when we start any business, there are certain challenges which our franchise would face. As per me, it would be the market knowledge in the initial days. When a person starts, he need a market knowledge because he may be coming from some other background. He's not from real estate, he's from IT, he's from defense, he's from businesses, first time entrepreneur. A lot of people come to us. So as per me, it would be initial training, initial learning about the market. As per you, what would be the points which would be a challenge for the franchise coming on board with us?
So first thing, if the challenge is not coming, then it is not a business.
Absolutely.
है ना? So but we have tried to minimize the challenges for a new player. So we have already done all kind of research. If any new person comes, we train them like if he starts our own, he will take another 10 years
Absolutely.
to understand the market. But within 1 or 2 months, our comprehensive training program will train them with each and everything. Even our team goes at the ground with him to meet all the developers so that he gets the ground level kind of knowledge and all the things. And regarding the challenge, obviously the challenge is that you have to work on Saturday, Sunday. Entrepreneurs have to work 20.
This would be a challenge for some of our franchise,
the
but
franchises.
yes, they have to work on Saturday,
So
Sunday.
That's the challenge you have to face. You have to learn entrepreneurship. Few months you will get settled down.
And one very exciting point, if my person would highlight on it, it's a high margin business that everyone knows, but 25 to 30% ROI. What you think this number says?
So on 25 to 30% ROI, what I am saying, it will come in 1.5 year maximum. Your ROI will be there. So I'll tell you a very small example. If you are even doing a transaction of 2 crore of flat, 2 flat, let's take an example. So 4 crore rupees flat, and let's take a brokerage of 3%. So you can imagine the kind of money they make. When they give a loan to their customer, we have a tie-up with all the banks. They give us commission also. So that is a
part of I think multiple revenue business model. What we are
multiple
running
revenue
as of
model
now.
we have.
Great. So Vivek, I would say thanks to you for being here with us today as a founders. We personally attend the show. We want to meet a lot of people, and we are very excited for this event. And we say to our audience, thanks. Visit us today at Franchise India show at Yashobhoomi, Delhi. Thank you very much.